To live a life of excellence, you will have to take a risk. You will have to step into new world of territory and climb new mountains. To leave your mark in the world, you will have to stand someplace you have never been willing to stand before. And you will have the courage to aspire to excellence. So be with us in a generous presentation of Hydrobit. Time now to know your Hydrobit. It's a virtual currency, smart contract and blockchain based virtual currency help to become millionaire and billionaire globally. Fortunes are built during the down market and collected during the up market. So important information for you all risk takers, because PTT price has gone down for pretty much less time. So don't wait. Please register on this platform. Registration is absolutely free. So ask the expert on the numbers given on the screen. The renowned celebrities in cryptocurrencies are witnessing their highest performance. Elon Musk and Justin Sun of Tron. So register yourself free. Invest only 200 BTT and now it's your turn to earn. Types of income. 4 types of incomes are there. Direct income, matrix level income, or non-working income, you can say. It is cashback income and universal pool income. HydroBTT is a phenomenal platform which distributes 100% of your investment. It is direct income 30%, matrix level income 50%, cashback income 10%, and universal pool income 10%. Fast and fabulous information for you. Direct income, it's a working income. Suppose you join the system, it's a fabulous. Then what you will do, you will share the information to your on market people, son market people, and non-market people. On market, non-market, and son market people, these people will join by your advice and opinion. What you will get, you will get 30% of the total investment. Let's say one person came into system 200 BTT, 30% of 200 is 60 BTT. 60 BTT is yours. Like this, you people are the brave people, so lot more people will be joined with your opinion and you will earn very much highest amount of BTT through direct income. Time now for cashback income, matrix level income, non-working type of income. Fabulous it is. Platform does save 10% of the ID's total investment and distribute among the people who do at least 2 persons directly. As it is matrix level income, so your seniors do join, then it will be spilled down towards you. Henceforth, there is a great opportunity to earn even non-working situation. So once 2 people join, 20 BTT is yours. 4 people join, 40 BTT is yours. When 128 people join, it is 1280 BTT for you. When 1024 people joined, it is 10,240 BTT is yours. While it is 2048 people, then you will get approx 25,000 BTT. One important condition, if 500 BTT will be keep safe for upgradation and next level promotion. Now you have promoted to the next matrix level, so your income will be promoted. Henceforth, from 2 people you will get 50 BTT, from 4 people you will get 100 BTT, and from 1024 people you will get 25,600 BTT. Out of those 25,600 BTT, 1000 BTT will be kept safe for promotion into next upgradation. Here you will keep start getting slot 1 and slot 2 earning. This is escalated matrix. Henceforth you will get 100 per pair. So 2 people 100 BTT, 4 people 200 BTT, and 8 people it is 400 BTT. So if it is 1024 people, it is 51,200 BTT is yours. Out of those 51,200 BTT, 2000 will be kept for next level promotion. In this escalated matrix, you will get 200 from one pair. So 4 people 400 BTT, 10 people 1000 BTT, and if it is 1024 people, it is 1,24,000 BTT. Out of those 1,24,000 BTT, 3000 will be kept safe for next level promotion. And in this escalated matrix, you will get 1,53,600 BTT out of 1024 people, and out of those you will have to keep safe for next level upgradation also. And one important information, you will get the income from each and every slots, each and every levels, unless the fulfillment of the conditional people are not there. The highest level escalated matrix is Diamond Club, where you have to upgrade with 50,000 and you will have to opportunity to get at least millions and billions of BTT from these escalation matrix. Thank you. Next is great universal pool income. For this income, you will have to upgrade yourself with 1000 BTT. If you have not upgraded, it will be automatically upgraded from your auto pull income, and you will get 200 each people's joining globally. So round the clock 24/7 from all over India, from all over the globe, people are fetching millions and billions of BTT. So why you are waiting? Just join, because registration is free. So ask the experts. Terms and conditions is pretty much simple. You can withdraw minimum 50 BTT. So join it now.